The Indus Valley Super Smooth Cast Iron Skillet. Skillet for deep frying with strong handle. Quick cooking. Saves fuel up to superscript 1/1200 per year. Lasts for decades. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Cooks faster. Saves gas. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Check out the product link in the video description for more details and buy. If you want to buy this cast iron skillet, so its link is given in the description of the video. From where you can buy it. How did you like this cast iron skillet? You can give us your feedback by writing in the comment.